Notice. Notice. Notify. Notify me. Once I'm notified, I'm on notice of something. And what is that something? That I have been served. Service of process. Once a person who is involved in judicial proceedings is on notice that they are involved in judicial proceedings. In order to break up these complex concepts into simple explanations, I'm going to explain the who, what, wheres, whys, and hows of the service of process as part of civil procedure. At the end of this video, I will include a chart which I created while studying for the Illinois Bar that helped me for all you visual learners. If it's something that can help you, check it out. If not, you can just fast forward to the end. Anyways, here we go. Who can serve? The federal rules of civil procedure say that a non-party who is over the age of 18 can serve. Let's say I am 17 years old and full of youth. I'm a non-party. Can I serve the documents? No. Now, I am 27, still full of youth and so much promise. I'm also non-party. Can I serve? Yes. Who can be served? If I'm a person, I could be served at home. Someone's knocking. Oh my goodness. I've been served. Suppose I'm not home, but someone knocks on the door and my minor child, my 12-year-old child, Edie, answers the door. In substituted service, a minor child can accept the documents on behalf of their parent. You have to check the state statutes, but the federal rules say that substituted service is allowed as long as the documents are dropped off at home. It satisfies the notice requirement. So my 12-year-old child can accept my documents on behalf of me. Now, I am a corporation. How does service work? Well, you have a laundry list of options. Just mainly someone who is an agent of the corporation. Examples could be the C-suite, the CEO, the CFO, the COO. Basically just someone who is an agent of the corporation and be served in the principal place of business. You can't do that substituted service because, let's be honest, people don't really sleep at their jobs. Or do they? What are you getting? The court documents, the summons, the complaint, the pleadings. The documents that tell you that you are involved in judicial proceedings and you have to respond. Why? Because you have a constitutional protection. You have notice and the opportunity to be heard. It's a form of due process. Notice in that you are being told what you're getting involved in, and then the opportunity to be heard is the opportunity to respond. When the service of process happens, there's a time period. It's no more than 90 days after you have received the complaint, the summons, the court documents. You have a 90-day period because it gives the person an opportunity to find out, hey, I'm being sued. Hey, I was involved in a contract. Suppose you're a baker and my baker's calling. Suppose Elton the baker was contracted to make 30 cinnamon rolls. He was working very hard, kneading them, and then he got tired. He started licking himself and he said, that's it, I'm done. So he only made 20. Now the family that contracted him are suing him for breach of contract. If he gets notice, he needs to get notice that he's being involved in judicial proceedings, because if not, he has no idea. Elton has no way to speak up and have the opportunity to be heard and plead his case. Simple as that. You have the option to waive service of process. If you're in the US, you have 30 days to do so. If you're a foreign person, you have 60 days. Foreign person? Wait, we haven't talked about foreign service. Well, with foreign service, you have to go through the clerk of the court. It's a little bit more complicated because what if you don't know the address of the individuals? It's also governed by the Hague Convention, so you have to see if your country is part of that convention and see what rules apply. That's all for now for the service of process and notice requirement from civil procedure, and now I have included my chart as promised of how I broke down for me, the visual learner, that hopefully you, the visual recipient, can benefit from. Don't forget to subscribe!